Hello everyone. What is the GDP of Germany? GDP means the total value of goods and services produced inside a country. Germany's nominal GDP is about 5.0 trillion US dollars, making it one of the world's largest economies. With about 84 million people, Germany GDP per capita is around 60,000 US dollars. This shows that Germany has a very large economy, while its output per person is also high. The economy of Germany is powered by manufacturing, cars, machinery, chemicals, and modern services. These industries support exports and create strong links with businesses around the world. How Germany ranks by GDP places it among the top economies globally, behind the United States, China, and several other major countries. GDP growth in Germany has been weak recently, with periods of very small growth or contraction. This reflects high energy costs, weaker industrial demand, and pressure on exports. Germany also has a strong research base, skilled workers, and important companies in technology and engineering. Its nominal GDP uses market exchange rates, while purchasing power measures can give a different view of its domestic economy. If you found this video useful, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching.